Plus, it starts with a lightweight bout. Mike Breeden takes on Alexander Hernandez. Up next, a middleweight bout. Krzysztof Jotko takes on Misha Serkinov. Up next at welterweight, Nico Price takes on Alex Oliveira.
Oh yeah.
Co-main event is at middleweight. Kyle Dawkins takes on Kevin Holland. And our main event is in the light heavyweight division, 5 rounds or less, between Johnny Walker and Thiago Santos. Main event, 5 rounds between Thiago Santos and Johnny Walker. All right.